What it do, y'all? Your boy just cooked up some homemade chicken noodle soup. This is my first time making this, y'all, from scratch. Have some chicken thighs left over in the fridge. Chop them joints up, cop some egg noodles and some veggies, some onions, and your boy just chefed it up. All glory to God. You dig? Alright, y'all, we're gonna do a quick taste test. Let's see. Quick taste test. Joint's got hot. Wow, that's actually pretty good. First try. Chicken tasting mad good. Egg noodles. Them egg noodles is fire. You can taste the flavor in there. I don't know. Listen, all I'm gonna say, yo, glory to God. Glory to God. God bless y'all. All my fellas, go learn how to cook. Alright, peace.